It is still unknown how many animals are affected by the wildfires in Australia, but one local nonprofit organization in Davenport is doing their part to help out these animals in need. Save the Wild Wildlife Rehab at the QC is collecting items like gauze wrap, bandage tape, as well as pouches for kangaroos and koalas until the end of the month. Now, all of these items will help animals with their wounds. Local 4's Carlos Sosa met up with the founder to learn more about what they still need.
We may be small, but we're doing something really big for them.
Jessica Winkler says Steve Irwin was her inspiration to help animals and start her nonprofit.
He was my inspiration to start this, and I didn't think it would get this big, but I'm happy it did, because we're not only helping rehabbers in Iowa and Illinois, but we're now sending what we can to them.
Save the Wild Wildlife Rehab of the QC is collecting items to help animals that were affected by the wildfires in Australia.
The most that we're needing right now is more vet wraps, gauze, and the bat wraps in the joey pouches.
The organization handmakes items for raccoons and other animals found in the Quad Cities, and now those items will help koalas and other animals stay warm.
So this is the Raccoon Nest, and the babies will stay in here, and this folds down. So once they get bigger and they start climbing, what you can do is flip this up and make it into a much bigger one.
Since the items will be going overseas, there are certain rules that must be followed.
If you would like to donate, it has to be in the original package. Make sure there's no hair on anything, and then you can put it in Ziploc bags, because we will put them in the tub. But if there's any kind of hair or anything, the customs will not let them through because of contamination.
Their goal is to have all of their donations sent by January 31st.
So we're going to gather everything up at the end of the month and take it to Illinois side, because there's a hub there that they will take it all, pack it up, and they'll fly themselves and everything to them.
And again, that was Carlos Sosa reporting for us. If you are interested in donating items, they have drop-off locations in the Taylor Ridge, Milan area, as well as the Davenport, Bettendorf area. We have more information on our website. Visit ourquadcities.com.